United Nations official visits Ethiopia refugee project. And that's the headline for now. We'll be back soon with more breaking stories and major updates from across Nigeria and around the world. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Hello and welcome. A senior United Nations official has visited a refugee inclusion project in Ethiopia, drawing attention to ongoing efforts aimed at supporting displaced communities and strengthening cooperation between refugees and host populations. The visit highlights international commitment to improving humanitarian conditions in the region. A top official from the United Nations has carried out a field visit to a refugee inclusion project in Ethiopia, focusing on programs designed to improve the lives of displaced people and promote long-term integration. The visit is part of broader efforts by the United Nations to support countries hosting large refugee populations, particularly in regions affected by conflict and displacement. During the visit, the UN official toured facilities that provide essential services such as education, healthcare, skills training, and livelihood support for refugees and members of surrounding host communities. The Inclusion Project in Ethiopia is designed not only to support refugees, but also to ensure that host communities benefit from development programs. This approach aims to reduce tension, promote cooperation, and create shared economic opportunities. Officials involved in the project explained how refugees are being given access to vocational training programs that help them develop practical skills for employment. These include agriculture, small business development, and technical trades. Education was also a key focus of the visit. The project supports school enrollment for refugee children, helping to ensure they continue their education despite being displaced from their home countries. The UN official praised the efforts being made on the ground, describing the initiative as an important model for refugee inclusion and sustainable development. The official emphasized that long-term solutions must go beyond emergency aid and focus on empowerment and self-reliance. Community leaders in the area also expressed their views during the visit, highlighting both the challenges and successes of integrating refugees into local systems. While resources remain limited, they acknowledge that cooperation has improved living conditions for many families. Ethiopia continues to host one of the largest refugee populations in Africa, with people arriving from neighboring countries due to conflict, insecurity, and economic hardship. This has placed pressure on local infrastructure, but has also encouraged innovative approaches to humanitarian response. The Inclusion Project is part of a wider strategy supported by international partners aimed at reducing dependency on aid and promoting dignity through work, education, and social participation. Observers say such visits from high-level UN officials help draw global attention to refugee issues and reinforce the need for continued funding and policy support. The UN has repeatedly called for stronger international solidarity in addressing displacement crises, urging countries and organizations to invest in long-term solutions rather than short-term relief alone. The visit concluded with renewed commitments to strengthen collaboration between the United Nations, the Ethiopian government, and development partners working in the region. That concludes the report on the United Nations officials' visit to the Refugee Inclusion Project in Ethiopia. Stay tuned for more updates and global news coverage.